People say that I'm foolish for how I trust you, oh God.
Someone being beaten, someone being scourged, spit on, and someone putting sword in his side. Nothing about that looked like glory, but it was glory. Promotion doesn't look like promotion. Elevation doesn't look like elevation. And it comes through conflict. It comes through trauma sometimes. And if you're able to overcome it, then you're able to see the gold of it.
Lord, you are good.
Jesus knew, because he was in the presence of God, he knew it was his time. And he created power. He walked through it.
Lord, I don't know what I would do without you.